So, today, making Teresa go out for a hike. I told her I wouldn't make her do Cardiac Hill. Because I know she would be dying. I know I'm dying by the time I get to the top.
Okay, Bonnie said we're not doing Cardiac Hill. Whatever that is.
Okay. You see this trail right here? Where these people are up there? See them up there on the hill? That's Cardiac Hill.
Where?
Look. Up that way.
Oh, good Lord.
See them? Okay. That trail goes straight up all the way to the top. That's Cardiac Hill.
Oh, good Lord.
There's a lot of people on that. A lot of stupid people on that.
Yeah, we're not stupid.
No thanks.
We're not doing that.
Anyway, too many other cool trails here.
I'm not up for Cardiac.
We are at Peralta. Trailhead. You know, I like this area. Very cool.
Look at this.
I really enjoy.
Profiles are each at different scales. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there's tons of trails out here.
It's not very far. It's about 4 feet. I'm gonna look at the picture. Bye, guys.
No worries. Well, she says, well, nope, you have to have your drink slung around you and you'll need both hands. Put your stick down. You can do it. I know it can be done. It's kind of a hands and kneesy thing. It's kind of a hands and knees scramble. Telling you, put the string around your wrist with your thing. There you go. There you go. Now if you need it, you got it, but you have your hand free to do whatever you need with your hand. I just use my hands. She's like, you're gonna come up and get me, right?
Now I'm gonna fall because there's people to watch.
No, you won't. Be confident. You. He said he's not watching.
He heard me. Good. All right.
Oh, you're killing me.
All right, that's about it.
That's it. You can't do it. Okay. All right. Hang on. Let me get a picture now. Look, she did it. Oh, come on. Stupid thing.
As long as nothing comes crawling out of these holes.
Why won't it do it? Why won't you do this? There we go. Okay, do it again. Do it again. Take a drink. So this is view from the back side of the window rock that I just made Teresa climb into. Oh, I didn't bring a drink up here, but I don't actually have a drink. I'm just drinking soda. So there we go. See that tank back there? See how that black ring is around there? That's about 4 feet deep. So that's a fucking awesome place to take a dip during monsoon season. Okay, I came out of the hole in the rock down to the area here by the pool to see how hard it is to get into. So I'm not gonna film this because this could be fun, but I just got to go back there and check that out. Okay, so this this little slide area was not as easy to maneuver going down as I thought it was going to be, but there do seem to be footholds and handholds going up. Just gonna have to figure out how to do that, but I want to go over here. Later. Wow, I had no idea how deep this hole was. That is a deep hole. Holy shit. Wow, look at how deep this hole is. Absolutely, absolutely deep enough to swim in. Wow. That ring marker there is higher than I am tall.
It wouldn't be over my head.
No. Wow, look at this. That's kind of cool, whatever caused that. Interesting. Huh. Hang on. Ah, this is actually really pretty. Dumb shit. Now I gotta go back. And I think that was the easiest way. Unfortunately. Okay, later.
There she is.
Alt route.
I think I was making like 20,
The return trip had to have an alt route.
I think I was making like 28,000 a year, and the corrections here guys were making like 14. Like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, now Washington,
Poverty level.
Yeah, Washington's a little bit better. But when he left with overtime, he was making...
So my nosy butt saw that pool down there.
Is there water in it?
No.
Okay.
But that black line
Oh, you were the one down
is
there.
over my
Yeah, this
head.
is
Oh.
That's a little too
It's
much
5
for
feet
me.
deep.
Oh.
If you
Of
come
height.
around the backside, there's another
Yeah,
smaller one,
Yeah.
at least that deep.
Oh wow.
What they put
Okay.
up with. But they
So
don't pay
cool.
you guys here enough either to what you put up with. So
It
That
has
can go
gotten
both
better. I mean,
ways.
Tempe, where I retired from, I mean, I think it maxed out at like 105,000.
I heard an ad on the radio last week that they were advertising for California state troopers, and they were talking like starting out at $115,000.
Yeah, but it takes $2 million to buy a house over there. A shack.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
I know. Well, Washington's the same way. You can't get in
You can't
a
get
starter
into
for
anything.
under $1 million.
Yeah.
Now up where we're way north of Seattle area, but still even up there, it's 400, 500,000.
Where you at up there?
Skagit County.
Okay.
So, up by Bellingham, close
Yeah.
to the border.
Yeah.
And we were way east of there even. So we were up in concrete, up in a little, closes up in the wintertime. Nobody can get through the pass. So, we roll up and there ain't nothing up there.
Yeah.
We sold our house for 400,000 up there. I mean, that's,
Get off the grid.
yeah, and we were, we had a little 7-acre ranch, but, of course, little horse ranch, little horse
Yeah.
farm.
We RV
But I
now.
mean, that's,
We stay off the grid.
Now we're full
as much as possible.
Yeah.
Will you ladies have a great time?
You
You
too.
too. It's nice talking to you.
As well. Take care.
Oh,
I do with my
your husband.
water bottle.
Your husband, if he would be able to get down into that hole down there, he'd be like, wow.
Yeah.
The geology, like that. There's a patch on this side, and it's like totally different freaking rock. And it's just a patch
Yeah,
in the middle of all this other kind of rock.
really.
It's weird.
Well, we might be able to find a way down there for both of us. Once, you know, since he's been doing his RA shots, they don't even want him to do therapy now.
It's pretty hard to get down there.
There's no other way down.
You got to going down that way is probably the easiest way. You could probably go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I gotta get this bagel back on.
You don't want to take a quick break?
Nope, we got a long way to go yet, girlfriend.
Okay. Well, you're just the one that just did all that, so I've been resting.
Yeah, that's okay. That's what I do.
These guys stopped because they about got run over by these young kids.
Hi.
Hi.
Who's your buddy?
Oh, yeah. And Miss Dakota.
Hi.
Hi, sweetheart.
Sweetie.
Trailed on here.
She's a good girl.
Very friendly. Very into mama. That was Gracie. She'd stop and get pets. That was her only downfall.
Oh shit.